The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, May 9th. I'm James Spann. We could see a few showers along the way this week, but the big storms will likely stay well to the west and north. There's the water vapor satellite view across North America today. A trough lifting out of the Rockies. And around here, the subtropical jet pushing some high clouds in. You can see the sky is mostly cloudy over the state this afternoon, except for some of the southern counties where the sun is out. And on radar, we have a few echoes, but a lot of this is not reaching the ground. You might have noticed a few drops on your windshield today, but not many. A lot of that is simply evaporating before getting down to the ground. And the chance of big rains for the next 2 days look relatively small. Temperatures are well below average because of the clouds. Only 68 at Haleyville at mid-afternoon. Birmingham at 71. We ought to be up in the low 80s this time of the year. But don't worry, 80s come back tomorrow and Wednesday. On the watch warning map, things are heating up across parts of the southern plains. We note a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Kansas and Oklahoma, and this tornado watch in effect now till 9 o'clock tonight for parts of Oklahoma, northeast Texas, west Arkansas, where there is an enhanced risk of severe weather for the rest of today and tonight. That includes places like Tulsa and Little Rock. Got the standard slight risk all the way from Lufkin, Texas to near Omaha, Nebraska. Tomorrow, north of the state, there is a slight risk in Tennessee, mainly along and north of Interstate 40, up into parts of Kentucky, Bowling Green, Paducah. Also a slight risk for parts of Texas. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, got the standard slight risk for much of Missouri and some of the adjacent states, but no organized severe weather expected here anytime soon. This is the rain for the next 5 days. The rain valid through Saturday morning, generally under 1/2 inch. The big numbers will likely stay north of us. So here we go, model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. You can see the main dynamics, the main wave action passing well to the north of the state, and accordingly, around here, we figure most of the day will be dry, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, and noticeably warmer than today. We'll be back up in the mid-80s in most spots. And the same thing Wednesday, mostly dry, mid-80s, maybe upper 80s in spots. And again, the chance of a shower is not zero, but many locations will be dry. Thursday, troughing north of the state, that's going to push a cold front down this way, and that will likely be the day this week with the best chance of rain. Even then, not probably going to be a big rain event. Good chance of showers, maybe some thunder on Thursday. Highs low 80s, no severe weather. And then Friday, that 1022 high begins to nose in. The sky becoming partly sunny, showers shifting down to South Alabama. The high Friday should be around 80. How about a beautiful weekend? Saturday, sunny. Latest GFS coming in cooler with a high at 77, and Sunday mostly sunny with a high around 80. Gorgeous weekend. We note a new storm, though, over southeast Colorado that could bring some severe weather to parts of Kansas and Oklahoma on Sunday. Monday of next week, troughing across the nation's heartland. That surface low weakens, and we're still dry, if this is right. Highs would go up in the mid-80s. We'll check the end of the forecast period. Thursday, May 19th, a new trough in the west around California, flat ridge here, and the weather stays quiet. So as you can see, we expect the weather to be relatively quiet across Alabama over the course of the next 10 days. Temperatures, you can see the cooler values coming in for the weekend. Those low 50s, low and mid 50s will feel good Saturday and Sunday morning, but I see a 90-degree high potentially later this month, which is what happens around here in mid to late May. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.